Fluid retention is the accumulation of water in the tissues, which is a result of imbalance in the liquid levels in the body. Our body is a complex system of hormones that constantly tweak the levels of liquids in order to keep them stable. This is why drinking more than the recommended amount of water doesn't cause any problems. The excess is eliminated by the kidneys in the form of urine or sweat. In order to prevent fluid retention, you should avoid doing the following 6 things that are probably causing it. 1. Consuming too much sodium. Sodium is an essential mineral found in most foods, but excessive intake without adequate water consumption can lead to fluid retention. It's important to be mindful of the sodium content in processed and packaged foods, as these often contain elevated levels of salt. A diet high in sodium can disturb the fluid balance in the body, resulting in swelling and edema. Monitoring sodium intake and staying hydrated are key measures to prevent fluid retention. 2. Processed foods. Processed foods, characterized by their convenience and extended shelf life, often contain high levels of sugar and sodium. Both substances are major contributors to edema. Excessive sugar intake can lead to inflammation, affecting fluid balance in the body. It is advisable to limit the consumption of processed foods and opt for fresh, whole foods to mitigate the risk of fluid retention. 3. Dehydration. Insufficient water intake during the day can lead to dehydration, prompting the body to retain water as a survival mechanism. This water retention manifests as swelling in the tissues, contributing to edema. To maintain proper hydration and prevent fluid retention, it is recommended to drink an adequate amount of water throughout the day. This not only aids in flushing out excess sodium but also supports overall health. 4. Vitamin B6 deficiency. A lack of vitamin B6 in the body has been associated with fluid retention. Optimizing vitamin B6 levels can be achieved through incorporating sources like tuna, sunflower seeds, potatoes, pistachios, bananas, or chicken into the diet. Including these foods ensures an ample supply of vitamin B6, which plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy fluid balance and preventing edema. 5. Magnesium deficiency. Magnesium, a vital mineral for various bodily functions, is instrumental in preventing fluid retention. Consuming at least 200 mg of magnesium daily can help maintain optimal levels and mitigate the risk of edema. Foods rich in magnesium include nuts, dried fruits, avocado, whole grains, and spinach. Integrating these sources into the diet contributes not only to magnesium sufficiency but also supports overall health and fluid balance. 6. Potassium deficiency. Lack of potassium in the body may lead to improper functioning organs and fluid imbalance and retention, as the mineral regulates the water balance in the body. Here are some tips that will help you prevent fluid retention. Exercising is key against fluid retention in the body. It will activate the circulation in your legs by compressing the muscles in the veins and allowing excess fluid to be eliminated through urine and sweat. Elevating the legs when resting can also help. This will reduce the swelling in the ankles. Put your ankles above the knees at a sharp angle to accelerate the movement of fluids. In order to prevent fluid retention in the body, you should also consume more fruit and vegetables. They contain flavonoids which will be of great help in removing excess fluids from the body. Avoid wearing tight clothing as it can impair your circulation and decrease your salt intake as well. Try not to shower with hot water in order to prevent dehydration and allow the body to prevent accumulation of fluids.